Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn off auto brightness on your MacBook. First up, go ahead and open System Settings. Next, head over to the Displays menu. Here, make sure you select the screen you want to adjust. In this case, I'm clicking on the built-in display, which is just my MacBook's main screen. Look down a bit and you'll see an option that says Automatically Adjust Brightness. Go ahead and toggle that switch off. Now, you have full manual control over your screen brightness, and it won't randomly dim or brighten on its own anymore. Just a quick heads up, most external monitors don't support this specific ambient light feature through macOS, so if you switch your settings to an external display, you usually won't see this toggle there. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.